What's going on, my beautiful people from YouTube? If you want that 100x on your meme coin trades before the crowds even hear about them, well, let me tell you how to get there. And it's with a platform called Banana Pro, the fastest trading bot in the market, built by the OG team from Banana Gun. This isn't just hype, guys. I want you to understand that this is about execution speed, a web-based performance, and it's just built for serious traders. Here's what it boils down to. If you want early access, lower fees, hit up my link. It's just bananapro.action.ceo. But I want to explain the why, the how. I think it's all about speed, honestly, just because Banana Gun was the original Telegram meme coin sniper bot. And you probably heard about them, I'm sure, because they were the first ones out there. Now, the same team dropped this Banana Pro application. It is a fully fledged web app designed specifically for one thing, and that is speed. Speed. Keeping it simple and making sure that things actually transact how you're expecting it, right? I'm talking about milliseconds. Meme coin trading is all about that speed, and milliseconds actually make a difference. If you have a slight lag or you're behind on a trade, faster snipers equals more liquidity, more profits. And with Banana Pro, well, that's what's happening. I'm staying ahead of the curve and actually being able to actually do a lot of things that other people wouldn't be able to. And let me do a little bit of a walkthrough as far as what the UI looks like. It is dark mode by native, which I love. Clean lines, no clutter. Most of all, trades execute instantly. If you hit that buy button, you get a confirmation and money just moves. Now, that responsiveness isn't really, accidental. It's engineered. It's what they designed this thing to look like. I want to show you what these filters look like, but before I show you some of the customization, opportunities here, I just want to say that I did the crazy thing of just starting a trade, and I hit trade, and then I went ahead and started recording this video. So I want you to follow along with me. We'll see how this goes. This is what I'm trading right now. I just went in to the first thing that was up there. It was just a use case. I put half a sol in to see what notifications look like and be able to share that with you guys. So on the top right hand corner here, you have these notifications 19 minutes ago, and it shows that I did 0.25, and then I waited a little bit more and I did 0.25 again, just to see what notifications look like and be able to share that with you all, because this application works really well. But hey, if you know where things are going to be located before we actually start using it, happy day, everybody wins, especially if you smash the like button for the YouTube video, because it does go a long way making sure that this video gets shown to even more people. But let's get back to the main page here, and this is what they call the trenches. At the bottom of the page, you're going to see some options that you can play with and things that you can actually pull up. But right here, this is what I want to look at, the trenches. And you have 3 tabs. You have new pairs that are coming out. And I apologize if there's anything crazy that shows up here. These are meme coins after all. This just shows you everything you need to know. Right here, this middle section is my favorite. It's close to migration. Basically, the things that are about to quote unquote graduate and migrate over to Uniswap. Radium and all those platforms. That's kind of how it works. So think about your pump.fun. If they have enough, buys, if there's enough volume, if they got enough people in there, well, it moves over outside of the platform and everybody gets it traded. This is how I've may or may not have taken advantage of serial launchers, finding them and basically taking their liquidity, because I hate when people are taking advantage of others. So if I can do something like that, happy day. Now, there is a tab here that says new deploys, and this new deploys gets so busy with so much stuff going on over and over again. It's hard for you to be able to actually see what tokens actually matter. That's where this little filter button comes in. It allows you to do so many different things based on new deploys. You can do just about anything in here, but one of the features that I really like is being able to actually sort by volume. You can do $1,500. So what this will do is actually hide anything that is under the volume that I put in there. So in this example, I did, $1,500. Anything below $1,500 won't even show, and I don't have to worry about it. Now, rearranging that, this dashboard is pretty straightforward. You can drag and drop a lot of these options down here. Not only that, there is a little plus button which shows you a lot of different things, including bubble maps. You got copy trading, which I do want to just quickly show you what that looks like. Top traders. I love bubble maps the way they do it. I'm not a huge fan of bubble mats outside of this platform, but this actually has a very good use case. I can see if a wallet is sending money to other wallets and how things are actually flowing. You just can't hide, right? A lot of people will buy with one wallet, transfer things over, then sell with another. That doesn't always get caught in other platforms. Here, can't run away. You know exactly where things are going to and coming from, which is really, really cool. And all you got to do is, click a button. It's basically the best platform I've seen so far, as far as how not only responsive it is, but how this thing actually functions and all the information you can actually get. Something else that I love being able to see is this top traders portion. Again, just another tab. And again, I'm in the use case. I wanted to have something to show you guys here. And it shows the P&L, how much money people are making, how much money people lost. So you just got to do a little sort here. And you can do a lot with this thing. It is very solid to be able to see something that gives you all of these options and be able to track, hey, I like this. What's this wallet? I'm going to go ahead and copy that wallet address. Now that I copy that wallet, I can just dump it in here to the target wallet, and I can just actually create a copy trade right away quite easily without having to do much of anything else. It's not complicated. No, no manual tracking. This is the easiest, and fastest copy trading mechanism like ever built into a meme coin platform. So if you like the way that, somebody is trading a specific token, this is the way to do it. There's no question about it. And why am I bringing this up? Why am I talking about this platform? Two things. First, I really like the team. These guys are actually builders. They've been doing this from the beginning. They are the original team. I mean, there's no question about it that these guys are doing it right, that they are doing everything in their power to have a great platform. But beyond that, they have a token. It is the only sniper bot out there with an actual token. And I love when they're able to reward the community. And what they do, they actually distribute 40% of the exchange fees back to the holders. That includes you. If you hold that token, again, never financial advice in this channel. It's just a matter of the things that I'm buying and trying to I don't want to say take advantage of, but like the things that I'm actually investing in, things that I'm putting my hard-earned money behind. This token, well, it's a passive income layer essentially that allows you not just to use a platform, but if you hold a token, you can actually benefit from the upside on the platform. Those fees, those exchange fees that kind of go through the platform, 40% of them are going to go back to people like you and me. And the Banana token ecosystem is expanding super, super fast. I mean, holding gains, long-term perks. It's just not just these instant trades. There's a lot more to it. Now, if I were to talk about other trading bots and things that are out there, we can compare some of the, from Maestro to Axiom. They're good bots, but clunky AI, way slower execution. You have, Unibot too, like that's a decent sniper, but there's no built-in copy trading. And Banana Pro, this thing is super, super quick. It is fully customizable, web-based, offers native copy trading, and it's made by a team that you guys, hopefully know and love because they know meme coins inside and out. They know what we're looking for. They know what we're actually trying to achieve when trading these things, which makes a big difference. So Banana Pro, what it boils down to is the fastest trades, the smartest dashboard I've seen so far, copy trading, token rewards, and honestly, just an app, a platform that I've been loving trying out and checking out because I was in this thing in beta and I got to see how well it performed. And again, if you want to try it out for yourself, use my referral link below. It's going to be bananapro.action.co is the easiest way to get there. The referral code is just action basically once you get in there. But I want to make sure that you guys let me know if this is worthwhile, if you like it, if you enjoy it, if you used it. My goal is to honestly just provide you guys value and give you something that hopefully you benefit from long term. It's not every day that these applications and these platforms kind of get launched, and I would love to see you all win by leveraging this platform. And let's go back to see how much my token is at. Oh no, we should just end this video right here. No, but you should check out the platform. Just don't trade like me. I'm kidding, I'm back. So here's the deal. This is a token that I was talking about that I bought. Again, I don't think this is going to do much of anything. I literally bought it just to show you guys on screen what was going to happen. And I love coming back after credits just to show you guys a little bit of what I'm looking at. This token, again, I have no idea what it is. I have no idea what it looked like. I literally just clicked buy, which is not the smartest decision. I'm only down 45%. So basically 30 bucks. It's okay. It's okay. But the transaction on this thing is so stinking fast. It's kind of amazing how fast things are actually getting processed. We don't have a lot of liquidity in here right now. We got what, $13,000 in liquidity for this token. Am I going to get rugged? There's a chance. But ultimately, I just want to try it out and show you guys that these features actually work. They're actually functioning. and things are working super, super well on this platform. It's, again, I have not seen anybody perform better than this team, and I'm just happy to have access to something like this and that this platform launched. I am not a huge fan of Telegram bots. Sure, I use Telegram just like anybody else, but when it comes to the, Telegram bots, I don't even want to say they're clunky. They're just hard to manage, right? Like if you have a wallet and you have a bunch of buys and sells, I don't like the fact that I have to talk to a quote unquote bot on the platform for me to be able to actually get something out of it. This shows me everything that's going on right on screen. I love being able to point and click, buy and sell without having to talk to a bot or set up a lot of different things. It's just fast, man. Like that is by far the highlight of this platform. They just do things it's just super, super snappy, and I'm going to keep using it. I'm going to keep trying this thing and see what I can get out of it, because I definitely see great opportunity when people build applications the right way in this space. And yeah, I'm always going to support people that do it right, support people that are actually, taking a chance and going out there on a limb and saying, I'm going to make this better than the last guy. And what else could we ask for than people that actually care about the space enough to build? And not only that, with their token, be able to give back to the people that are believing in them as well. So make sure you guys checking them out. They're even listed on Binance, I believe. Like it's wild how big this team really is and how awesome they've done in the past few years. I'm just super excited about them, and yeah, hopefully I can give you guys a little update, tell you how many users are on this platform and all the new features, because there will be new features. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you smash that like button, use that referral code, share it with everybody else, and let's see what we get.